If you want to view your contacts in Mailchimp, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can find your audience list fast. This is really helpful when you need to check subscribers, review contact details, or confirm that your latest signups were added correctly. If this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Mailchimp tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your Mailchimp dashboard. From there, look for the Audience section in the left-hand menu and click it. Audience is where Mailchimp stores your contact list, so this is the main place you want to go when you need to view subscribers. After clicking Audience, scroll down through the page and you'll see all the contacts you've added. Depending on your account, you may see a summary first and then a full list of contacts underneath it. Take a moment to review the contact information shown there, including names, email addresses, and any other details associated with your audience. If you manage multiple contacts or segments, this section helps you keep everything organized in one place. You can use this area to quickly verify who is in your list before sending a campaign, cleaning up your audience, or checking recent imports. And that's really all there is to it. To recap, go to Mailchimp, click Audience, and scroll down to view all the contacts you added. It's a fast and easy way to access your mailing list whenever you need it. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Mailchimp guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.